You have 3 tasks due today. You know exactly what needs to be done, and yet you open YouTube. Your brain whispers, "I'll start after this video. I work better under pressure anyway." That's not a plan, that's a trap. Hours pass. Now, it's 11 p.m. deadlines. Tomorrow, your heart races, panic mode, ON. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain choosing short-term relief over long-term reward. Dopamine wins every time, unless you fight back the fix. Use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself just start for 2 minutes, that's it. Once you start, your brain stops resisting. Motion beats motivation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Every task you finish builds momentum. That's how winners are made. Now go, start one task right now.